Today we are going to talk about what is art sound and why the art sound are produced. First of all, art sound loved are associated with the closing of valve, heart valve. The first art sound occurs as a AV valve close, as signify beginning of systole contraction, isometric contraction, and the second sound was occur when semilunar valve close at the beginning of ventricular diastole, and the third and fourth was are not listened and commonly, but the third is was third was sound was produced by sharp after extension of contraction of atrium. The blood touch the ventricle and the voice sound produced. And fourth one is not so it one is maybe a pathological murmur. If you like this video, then like this video and subscribe channel.